is that for a backdrop to have some lunch, eh? And because we can, we are having lunch, bread rolls and nice spiced mince. I know Australians may find that not very inviting, but we Germans, we love it. So that's spiced mince on a bread roll, buttered bread roll. I'm doing my second one, but because we don't have any cutlery with us, only a fork, I have to spread the butter and the mince with the fork. So I'm just going to do the second one. We just did the swimming with the dolphins, and it is now 1 o'clock, yeah, lunchtime. We are a bit hungry now. Next stop after we had lunch will be Clifton Lakes, I guess it is called. But at the moment Simon is setting up the drone because there is a little cute lighthouse here. It looks a bit funny, different to usual lighthouses, so you will see in a second. But yeah, so that is our lunch sorted. Delicious. That goes back in the fridge. Go. Delicious. Okay. Back in the fridge. Okay. Take the 2 bread rolls. Take the water. Take you, and off you go. Look at the rock formations here. They look the same like the ones in Fingal Head in New South Wales. Wow, beautiful. There's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
Our next stop is the Lake Clifton Thrombolites. I hope I pronounced that right. These are little stones bubbling in the water, producing oxygen. They are located just south of Mandurah, and we are coming now from Bunbury, so we have to go north. And yeah, we hope we have a good view of them. Simon will take the drone out again.
Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
looks like an emu. Yep.
Found him. We found the giant. One of the giant. How many are? 3? 4?
I don't know. Hytte. Hytte, Hytte.
Hytte, Hytte.
Hytte, Hytte.
Hytte, Hytte. Can you go inside? Oh, it's this bump.
We found at least one giant.
Yeah.
Being here in Western Australia in the Perth area for like a year.
Yep.
We finally found one of the giants, the Mandurah Giants. And yes, Simon was right. About 5 different giants spread across the area, like over a few kilometers distance. You can't walk, you have to drive in between. It's a fair distance in between them.
Yeah.
I mean, there is a map and you can find them on Google as well. But yeah, hidden. You can't just take the car and drive past.
You have to
I
walk.
think you can pass on one, which is on the foreshore in Mandurah. But other than that, you actually have to walk.
Yeah, and you can't take your dog with it because
To most
the
of them.
most stays in national parks.
Now
Yeah.
let's go home, hey?
Back to the car,
Back
driving
home.
home,
Yeah.
maybe some takeaway.
And enjoying the rest of the weekend.
Yeah,
Yeah, oh my goodness.
not much left.
No. And then 1 week to go and we are taking off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty. See you next time, people. Thanks for watching. Bye.